Guess what it is, Papa?
Whoa, a racetrack. Rory. Don't you like it, Patrick?
Wow. What's
You
that,
like
Patrick?
it, Pat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he loves it.
Do you know what it is? You want me to tell you? It's a racetrack and garage. Rory.
Is
You
that
can
cool?
carry it anywhere you want, honey. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
How do you open this thing?
Who is it from?
Jamie, Mommy,
Daddy.
Daddy.
and Daddy.
Jasmine.
Thank you, do.
Look at it.
Jamie,
Yeah?
you can do that. You guys